Auction for this first ball. Yesterday we started the auction. Sister Lina, am I going to do the same? $500 to start with? Alhamdulillah, thank you. So I'm going to start this auction with 500, and let me tell you something. Yesterday in Pittsburgh, each of this cricket ball was sold for $1,500. I want to see more money than that in New York, guys. Come on. And it was a very small affair. It's a big crowd over here today. So $500 is my starting. I see a hand. How much, brother? 600? 600. Okay. Jazakallah. Who else? 1,000. MashaAllah, 1,000. Brother, you want to beat? 1,500? Very good. MashaAllah. I'm already at Pittsburgh level now. Now we are talking, guys. New York. Come on. Who's going to go? Signed ball by the legend himself. We have to beat the 1,500 threshold, guys. Come on. Make it 2,000. Let's set a benchmark, guys. Who else? 2,000. Jazakallah, brother. Jazakallah. I have 2001, 2002, 2003. May Allah bless you. Please come. What's your name, brother? Raja Sahab. Thank you so much for your generosity.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Okay. Thank you. Alicia.
Raja Sahab, hold on.
Thank you so much, brother. May Allah bless you. Okay, all right. So, we have one more. So now you know, we have to beat the threshold of 2,000, right? It cannot go less than 2,000, so it has to go at least 2,500, guys. Come on. And by the way, let me tell you something. In 2019, when Wasim was here, we toured 4 cities in the West Coast. And Brother Anwar, if I am not mistaken, we raised over $70,000, mashallah, just with our cricket equipment auction, right? So, alhamdulillah, this is the second city right now. Hopefully, we will beat that threshold as well. So, who's going to go over 2,000, guys? I'm not going to start from 500 this one. It has to go minimum or over 2,000. Come on, New York. We do a lot of other things. We spend a lot of money, alhamdulillah, in our personal life, but this is definitely for Pakistan. This is for a charitable cause. Brother, am I looking at you? Are you going to do over 2,000? You were at 1,500. You will go for bat? No, bat is also coming. You can get both of them. You have to have a bat to play with the ball, right? Correct? Okay, guys. Here, anybody? Don't make Mr. Raja get the second one too, guys. So, okay, let me do this. How about I see one generous hand and we will not bid this ball and just pay 2,000 and collect this ball. Come on, guys. He has flown all the way from Australia. Australia? Australia? Australia. Okay, that's how they say it, right? Australia. Where? MashaAllah, brother, please come in. Please come. May Allah bless you. It's good people like all of you that our country is in such a great shape right now. Thank you, sir. What's your name, brother? Raza Sahab, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Hold on. Raza, look here.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Guys, I really feel happy that I'm in New York. Yes, yes. Okay, so now we have 3 cricket bats. Again, duly signed by His Highness, the legend himself. Obviously, the balls have gone for 2,000. So this has to go more than that. Like you said, it's a cricket bat, right? So how about I start the bid from 2,000 itself? Can I? Do we have somebody for 2,100? 2,100? 22. Do I see a hand over there for 23 on the back? 25? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Jazakallah. 25. Sir, you said cricket bat. 3,000? You take the next one? Okay, that means you will not get anyone, right? Okay, 2,500. 2,500. 1, 2, 3. Brother, it's yours. Please come. So now you know the next 2 cannot go less than 2,500. सर आपका नाम?
थैंक यू वेरी मच, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
वो
बहुत
नाम
बहुत
बता
शुक्रिया।
दो। नाम एक मिनट वो नाम पूछेगा आप
Fakrullah Saab, thank you so much for your generosity for Pakistan, sir. Thank you so much. All right, here we go again. So I'm going to just start from 2,500, guys. It cannot go any less than 25. Do I see a hand, a generous hand this side? It's very quiet on this side, guys. Nobody plays cricket over here? I'm sure you guys are. 2,500, signed duly by the legend himself. You all can make the arrangements with Islamic Relief, how you want to pay, but, oh, mashallah, sister, please, come in. Yeah, please come, 2,500. When I see a hand from a sister like that, I don't even want to go beyond that price, okay? Thank you, Jazakallah. You come too. Okay.
आए आए आप भी आ जाए। दे दे। How are you?
What's your name, beta?
Azali.
Razali. Thank you very much. Thank you, sister. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for your generosity.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you guys. Okay, the last one, guys. No, sir, up to you. For you, it's 3,000 now. For you, it's 3,000.
Thank you very much.
What's your name, brother?
Osama
Osama, you're a good businessman.
I have a request. We have a long cricket club. They all volunteer. बुला लो।
I think they will do it later. You have to ask.
वसीम भाई कह रहे हैं तो आने दें यार।
वसीम भाई कह रहे हैं। आ जाओ फटाफट टाइम ना वेस्ट करो। क्रिकेट की साइकिल से खेलते हैं। आ जाओ भाई आ जाओ। ये ले।
आप उसी तरह आ जाए ना
साइकिल से खेलते हैं। आ जाओ। थैंक यू सो मच।
All right. Look here.
Thank you.
I guess, thank you so much on behalf of myself and Mr. Wasim Akram, the legend of cricket. Thank you, New York.
Thank you.